We started out in a small little shop, renting space above a cabinet shop for an office, and now we've got machines all over the world.
As a company, when we started, we were kind of a renegade. We definitely still are. I think Jason, our owner, is pretty proud of that. We can get things done that other companies aren't willing or able to do. The majority of what we do, as far as our bread and butter industries, are infrastructure, construction equipment. We don't like to compromise when we're designing products. Probably the first and most important part of any of our designs is quality.
Most equipment is designed to last about 10 years. Our stuff, we designed it for that, and it's probably a 25, 30-year product.
We really ship all over the world. We have a lot of projects going on in Canada, South America, Europe, Australia. Pretty much anywhere in the globe that you can think of, we have products there working.
We started out with one product, and now we've expanded in so many different areas.
The DECKHAND, that's our original product. That's kind of how we made our name. And that was Jason's original invention, and that was for moving drill pipe. We have a whole variety of arms that actually go onto the DECKHAND that move a huge variety of different types of materials.
And that's been pretty cool to see the product line grow, to see machines that weren't really popular at first become more and more popular, and just kind of see all of the different crazy ideas that we get and how we can go from, oh, maybe this would work, to this is a thing that we're actually selling. One
of our more recent products is called the TONGHAND, and that's actually what we call an exit side wrench for directional drilling. We handle drill pipe, any other material that a customer will come to us and say, hey, we need to move this or handle this.
During my internship, I realized that it was really like a family around here.
It's a culture of achievement. We look at the potential for people, give them an opportunity to grow into a role and to really flourish within it.
I really love that it's a team. It's not, there's a sales team and they just do their thing. Everybody will jump into the mix whenever needed.
A very supportive group of people, and encourages you to do a little bit more, try this out,
If somebody feels they're lacking or they're interested in another facet of education, they're all for it. They see the value in it. They see the value in investing into somebody's time, and education now pays off later on.
You might be a logistics coordinator today, moving on to being a purchasing agent, and the next thing you know, you're the production manager.
We do try to hire local. We have apprenticeships through the university here. We work with different schools.
They look for people with diverse backgrounds. Not only what did you do professionally, what have you done in your spare time? Do you spend all your time fishing, or do you go out in your shop tinkering? What are your interests? And that's how they form their group.
It's a fantastic culture, and it's definitely one to be recognized.